that you're unable to complete that last repetition. The American College of Sports Medicine would call this volitional fatigue. Now, why is this so critical? Well, it's simple. The stimulus to your muscles, in other words, the effort that you put into your exercise, is related to the response that you get in terms of adaptation. So we know that the workout makes us stronger. We know that if we raise the stimulus, if our effort goes up, we push a little harder, we'll get more of a response, more outcomes, more adaptation. So in this scenario, the effort is only measurable at two levels. I can only measure two thresholds of effort. I can measure 0, have you sit on the machine and just observe you do nothing, that's 0 effort. Or I can have you train all the way to where you can't move the movement arm another inch. Again, a partial repetition. From there you set the weight down and you're done. That's what we would call 100% effort. So it only makes sense to train at that threshold of 100% effort, because we know when effort is high, the response goes up. The main response is the strength gain that you're getting. So this is a quick, easy, simple, efficient way to get the greatest stimulus, which leads to the greatest response. Again, these two are completely connected. Your body adapts based on the effort that you put into that exercise. So step number 1 here, straightforward as it seems, is to train to muscle failure on each exercise. I know we've talked a lot about this in the past, and we've reinforced the important point that this is a safe way to train given how we do things here at Med Fitness and the equipment that we have and the excellent biomechanics that we have. But don't be afraid of this. Training at this level of effort may be just a little more uncomfortable, but it's going to provide the greatest stimulus, the greatest response, and the greatest strength gains that you could possibly get from your strength workout. So the goal being to not do a full repetition in that last repetition. Work as hard as you can to where you're unable to do a complete repetition with good form